Mornings start the same way around here. My dog jumps up to greet me, and my feet hit the rich, century-old hardwood floors that hold so much history. I head to the kitchen to start my day with a French press. It's one of my favorite spots in the house, a classic farmhouse sink, a gas range, and just enough charm that something as simple as my morning coffee feels like a slow moment in a busy world. Even on cooler mornings, I always take my coffee outside. The screened-in porch is cozy with a blanket, and I love watching my dog run around the fenced backyard. It's a really great size, especially this close to downtown. Then I head out for a walk with the dog. One of the best things about living here is how walkable everything is. I can grab a quick donut when I see the iconic Hot Now sign at Krispy Kreme just down the street. As I get ready for work, I'm reminded of the benefits of this location and how close everything is. Downtown's just a quick drive or an easy bike ride on warmer days. As I leave, I'm reminded of all the charm this neighborhood brings. I come back and get ready to meet some friends. The sense of community here is so special. Local spots, familiar faces, all just a short walk away. After a full day, nothing beats winding down by the fire. The original mantel with a cozy gas insert makes this room the perfect place to end the night, with a book, a drink in hand, and my dog curled up next to me. This house blends charm, character, and everyday comfort in the best way. It feels like home.